Hello and welcome back. In this video, we are going to be learning about Photoshop, the brief history, the definition, and the uses of Photoshop. Photoshop was created by two software engineers, two brothers named Thomas Knorr and John Knorr in 1987 and was later bought by Adobe System Incorporated as of 1988. The first version of Photoshop was released in 1999 and it has since dominated the industry standard for digital image editing. What is Photoshop? Photoshop is a raster graphic editor in the sense that it is made up of what? Pixels. Pixels are small images that once you zoom, you see. Once you zoom in an image, you see different boxes. Those boxes are called pixels. So Photoshop works with pixels. That is raster. That's why it's a raster graphics editor, and it's published by Adobe Inc. for both Windows and Mac OS. It's majorly used for professional digital art, mostly used for raster graphic editing. Now, what can we use Photoshop for? We use it for image editing. The software is named Photoshop for a reason, because it's the master of image editing. This is for image editing. Photographers make use of it, and so on. Photographers make use of it to edit their photos. Okay, the next one is graphic design. Graphic designers also make use of Photoshop for creating amazing designs, banner design, billboard design, music art covers. The next one, website design. Although Photoshop is not used for coding a site, but some designs that are in a website are majorly created using Photoshop. Also, politics and social banner. Most of our politicians, some funny image we see are not actually captured on the camera. It was edited on Photoshop. So that is another way you can use Photoshop. Let me say photo manipulation. Branding. Photoshop is used for branding. Mockups is simply how the design looks like in real life. So we use Photoshop to create mockup, for creating of mockup that displays how our design looks in real life.